instead of doing other things huko nje.
Now, Jamal Ali has been elected as the president of the Kenya Tchoukball Federation in elections that took place yesterday at the Nyayo Stadium. Ali takes on the mantle with the aim of helping grow the sport, which is currently played in more than 10 counties across the country. Kezia Odero has retained his position as the Secretary General, while Mary Angela and Frederick Kipkemboi have been elected as the first and second vice presidents, respectively. The Independent Electoral Board has been asked to submit the election report within 7 days to the sports registrar so that the office can begin its mandate immediately.
I think the ktnnews has conducted the elections very
To some athletics now, more than 300 athletes are set to take part in the 4th edition of the Kenya University 10 Million Trees Marathon and Cycling event set for March 28, 2026.